And now let's understand this trade deal and the negotiations that have been held for almost a year now. Let's go across to Ajay Mishra joining us on the phone line. Ajay, which Indian sectors stand to gain the most from the US cutting reciprocal tariffs to 18% now? And how soon could the exporters feel the impact?
By the executive order, this reciprocal tariff of 18% down from 15% is effective from the time of this release of a joint statement between the two democracies, and immediately the Indian exports will be getting the benefit of these reduced tariff. It has certainly ended the uncertainty which was looming given the geopolitical tensions and also uncertainty with respect to the tariff regulations from the United States. So this is going to be a great benefit for the Indian exporters, especially in the MSME sector, labor-intensive sector like leather, textile, and handicraft and handloom sector. But going forward, what is more important is that both the democracies have committed to work together to end this kind of uncertainty and invest in mutual democracies. So with this, we believe that the Indian auto sector, Indian engineering sector, and some of the food products also might get a bigger pie in the US economy, which is $1 billion. And it is going to be a great diversification for the Indian exports going forward. And we understand that with this deal, India have completed the 9 trade deals, all with the developing nations during last 1 year.
All right. Zero tariffs on pharma, gems and aircraft parts sound big. What kind of export boost could this translate into for India?
So as far as the pharmaceutical is concerned, it will be on case-by-case basis, and there is a separate legislation in the US. We'll have to see the details of how the Indian pharmaceuticals are going to benefit, but this will be on case-by-case basis, and some legal sections might have to be amended in US going forward. As far as the aircrafts and auto parts are concerned, we understand that auto component is a big pie of engineering exports that India do to the United States, and going forward, it will also open a great market for the auto component companies from India, and also along with these two sectors, energy is going to be a great great area of cooperation between the two economies, and we understand that energy diversification is also very important to Indian economy. Also, we are expecting large investment into data centers, and that's why this commitment of $500 billion in the next 5 years and investment from India into US is going to have a great impact on the ICT sector from United States of America.
Okay, Ajay, very briefly, India has fully protected sensitive farm and dairy sector?
Yeah, we believe that the farm and dairy sector, especially the grains and the dairy products, are going to be protected fully. But there are some items which India is lacking and already importing, like edible oils and some animal feeds and all. So that will be allowed import from USA going forward. But as far as the grains are concerned, raw grains are concerned, we don't understand that there is any kind of impact on the Indian farmers and the dairy sector in particular.
Okay, thank you very much. Ajay Mishra joining us from New Delhi.